are at Lindsay today, and this is Fall Brawl, and we brought our hunk of junk avalanche. Is it going to do good? I have no idea. We passed tech, 2 runs, but we're going to do a quick walk around and see what we can see here for vehicles. So we start over here at my avalanche. We got Jesse in his Colorado. We got Roy in a Tahoe, or no, that's a Cadillac. Josh in a Sienna, and Josh in a Suburban. We have a fence, so we have to go all the way around. Got a whole bunch of cars over here. Lots and lots of cars here today. Some oldies, some newies. And then we also have Steven over here, and he's got his Chevy Envoy over here. So this thing here is going to be test ran today. We built those tires. He did make it. He did make it. We got Chris Trappier over here in his Tahoe. And that's just about our whole entire group here today. So they're running quite a bit of classes here today. They got stock compacts like windshield. Then they have stock compacts, which is a little bit more. They have junk run rumble. So there's quite a bit of good cars here. Oh, I forgot about Nathan and Andrew in his Camry right here. And then we got Nathan over here. This gave him a little bit of a hard time at tech, but I think he's going to make it. He was a little late getting here, but he's trying to get it through. You gonna make it, Nathan? Nah, he's okay. I don't want to help him. He's waited 3 weeks. That's okay. I'll edit it out. Then we have a school bus over here. They do have the school bus derbies. We got some pro stock stuff coming in. I love watching pro stocks. Windshield. Actually, this one might be rollover. They do have rollover. We got a PT Cruiser over here. Very stock build. Going to be going up against some Camrys today. We got it looks like a, always roofing? Well, are you roofing right now? We got another stock truck over there. That one right there, it looks like a Corolla maybe? Another rollover car. Oh, it is Duck Hunt. Got it flat. We got an old school one over there. I don't even know what that is. Figure 8 cars. I forgot about the figure 8, guys. There's a lot of figure 8 cars here today. And then we got some more school buses. You know what? I think we saved our school bus from a life of this. Yes, one day. Toyota Siennas. Lots of Siennas out here today. Figure 8 car. Over here, these are for the stock class. Oh, we got a newer Camry. So that's like a 2002 and newer. We have that one there, looks like a 97, 98. Another Toyota Sienna over here. I don't know where these guys are finding all these Siennas. They're everywhere. Yeah, I guess so. Probably north or something. Another school bus. This one here doesn't even have the school bus lights in it. Oh, this must be a prison bus. Over here, we got a lot of Camrys that looks like they've been through the derbies a couple times, but they still look pretty stout. 70s Monte Carlo, I think. Camry up there. Very nice built, full size over here, guys. Compare that thing to my Blazer. Oh my God, night and day difference. We got some more Camrys up there. A couple used ones and a full size car. That'd be another Camry. These Envoys are really starting to come out of everywhere. This one's not an Envoy. This one's a Ford Escape. Full-size Crown Vic over there. There's a lot more cars over there. We're going to be trying to make our way over there before they call driver's meeting. Tech actually looks like it's going pretty good today, so hopefully so everything runs on time, but the weather's holding out and tech's going good, and it looks to be a good amount of car count, so that's pretty good. This guy over here is starting to paint these things. He does a great job painting, guys. I wish I could just take the time and set a camera up to watch him work his magic over here. So tech is always in this building here. been nice over the years when it gets pretty cold and rainy out, but this year here, don't really need it. Colorado. This one here is a lot taller than Jesse's Colorado. It's the difference between a four-wheel drive and a two-wheel drive. Look at all these cars coming out. Lots of old full sizes look to be in good shape too. Aluminum spelling no Malibu. We're gonna head over there on our way back. So guys, look at the Subarus. I must have started something with all these Subarus, because here they are, and they're running. Junk run van right here. Looks very stock with a cage. So we got another Caravan here. This one here is a little bit older than that one, but a Camry. Ooh. Looks like somebody's been into the front of this thing a couple times, but the frame rails are still straight, guys. Camrys, man, they last a long time and they keep going. This must be like a Kia or something. I'm not sure what this one is. Let's take a look at the side here. The inside. The shifter's on a crazy angle. I think this is like a Kia or Hyundai. I'm not sure. Caravan. Nice old Crown Vic up there. We're going to be going down that side too, so don't you worry. A stock truck over here, 90s. I bet you this thing's frame's in better shape than mine, I'll tell you that. My frame was so rotted on mine. Ford Ranger. Guys, these things here, they do some big hits, but they do like to fold in the middle. He's got some repair plates on there, so hopefully it stops it from folding. Full-size regular cab short box. That's kind of a rare truck. Nice. Cavalier for probably stock minis. Another Envoy. That thing there looks nasty. Some Hyundais up there. I don't think they're derby in those, but they might. Just joking. Some more stock trucks over here. Cobalt. Grand Am. You don't see too many of those anymore. And Audi. We'll have to watch for that one inside the ring. That one there looks like an Audi A4, A3, A4 wagon. Some Caravans. Front-wheel drive Cadillac DeVille. We got ourselves another regular cab short box. 06 Honda Civic-ish. Another Honda Civic. But this one here is a two-door. We got a Grand Am. We've seen this whenever we drive past. That's an Impala. I think this one here is a figure-8 guy. Honda Fit. All these are like stock windshield stuff. Here's your neons. Don't see too many of those around anymore. Dodge Caravan. Ooh, a Jeep. Guys, these things here do pretty good out in the ring. They take a beating and they keep going. This one here doesn't have the 4-cylinder. It's got the 3.7. Mazda 3. Is this a Dodge Pacifica or something? Oh, it's an Acadia. Traverse. It's a Traverse. That thing's huge. Caravan. Honda Odyssey over here. Dodge Caravan. Dodge Caravan. Dodge Caravan. Dodge Caravan. There's a lot of Caravans over here. They're calling driver's meeting in 15 minutes, so I gotta finish up this Prelude. I love seeing these old square cars. You really don't see them anymore, like at all. There's even trucks out there. That one looks just as rotted as mine. Some Camrys, Envoys, stock trucks, Camrys. That one looks pretty nice. I really like that truck, guys. Some people put a lot of effort into their paint jobs and it shows. Lots and lots of vehicles here. It took me so long to pass tech, I had to go back a couple times. So I didn't really get a good chance to get out early and kind of look around, but there's a lot of things. Like, look at 77. We're going to go over and take a closer look at 77 here in a bit. Some very nice built cars here, guys. School buses, too. But he's got some pizza.
Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep.
That's a nice car. It's a great paint job, guys. Lots of trucks here, guys. This is one of the last derbies of the year, and a lot of people build fresh vehicles to come here. I built a fresh vehicle to come here, but then a lot of people just bring their used up cars just so they don't have to store them all winter. So it's a pretty good mix of fresh stuff compared to used up stuff. So you kind of get like the best of both worlds. It's not very often you see a front-wheel drive 90s Seville. DeVille, maybe. I don't know. Seville, DeVille, I think it's four-door, so it makes it DeVille here at Derby's. See how it does in full size. So coming over here, you know, that's the great thing about these shows too, is you see so many people trying different things. Look how small of rubber he's got on the front of that. Different things, right? Everybody tries different things, and that's what makes the sport new, is people trying everything. Something might be so innovative that it completely changes the sport. But it's got to be tested, tried, come up with, ideaed first. So that's how it works, guys. You come up with an idea, don't be scared to try it. That's the first Jimmy or Blazer we've seen here today, is that one. Oh, come on, guys. Take the Tacoma in the ring. He's past deck. He's on his way back to his trailer. Toyota Sienna, two-man extreme Toyota Sienna. A newer Toyota Sienna. I don't see too many of these in the Derby rings. It's usually the older ones. Oh my God, somebody painted my truck while I was gone. And it's Pokemon flavored. Oh my God. I'm not even upset, to be honest. I'm not upset at all.
Hey, Zach.
Hey, how's it going? Pikachu looks like a damn demon. I love it.